another YouTube video, everybody. It's been a while since we've done an unboxing, which is actually a big fat lie. It hasn't been. It's been like 1 week since we've done an unboxing. But surprise, believe it or not, I bet you thought I forgot. But I didn't. So I promised everyone in my Christmas haul video that I would show you what Brodie got me for Christmas. And thank God we didn't wait to make that video. Like, I was trying to wait until the gift showed up, which is why we did it a week late. And we thought, fuck it, we'll do a separate video later. And thank God, because guess what showed up literally yesterday? It is fucking May. It is the beginning of May right now. I got this box yesterday, which according to the postal label was mailed in early December. So this has been lost in the fucking mail for like 5 months. Thank you, Canada Post. You're fucking amazing at your job. Anyway, it finally got here. Thank God it wasn't just gone. Like, we started to worry that it just wasn't showing up at all. Brodie was emailing the company, whatever. But it's here. So Merry Christmas to me in May. And I get to unbox this with you guys, which is super fun. And this came from Russia, which is probably part of the reason that it was so delayed, for obvious reasons. But 5 months? Like, come on. That's not. Nothing takes 5 months to come in the mail. So hopefully whatever's inside is not super fucking damaged. And of course, Brodie wanted me to open this yesterday when it showed up. He said, open it now. I'm so excited. And I said, I can't. I promised everybody that I'd open it on camera. So much to his chagrin, I am opening it with you while he's at work. So he's going to have to deal and see this when he gets home. All right. What do we have in here? You guys. Oh my God. Look at that. Look at those bitches. Do I need to be this much taller? The answer is yes. The answer is clearly yes, I do. Yes, I do. Oh, fucking A. Look at this. That is awesome. I love that these are mismatched. That's so cool. I love everything when it's asymmetrical and mismatched, and this is great. And they have zippers, so I don't have to lace these bitches every single time. This is fucking delightful. So happy. They're so pretty. Except that I don't appreciate that this one has a burgundy lace. This one should have a black lace. That's fucking stupid. So I am going to put a black lace in this one because fuck that noise. And clearly I'm not dressed or wearing the appropriate colored eyeshadow for this. So I'm going to repaint my face and get properly dressed. And then I think it's time for a fashion montage. Let me show you these bitches up close. And then we're going to do a fashion montage. Here we go. Ta-da! Here they are up close. Super cute. I don't know why they sent me a burgundy lace in that one. That's like absolutely stupid. Like, why would you put all this effort in and then not mismatch the laces? But anyway, I will deal with that and get a black lace for that one. Very nice. It, the very late unboxing of my Christmas gift for Brodie, which I'm actually really happy that it showed up. Honestly, it was lost in the fucking mail for like 5 months. Like 5 months. And we thought it was never coming. He was in touch with the company. Like, everything was bad. But then, surprise, it showed up and it was a fabulous pair of boots. I fucking love that they're mismatched. I'm not gonna lie. They're pretty great. I do not own a set of mismatched boots, and because they are mismatched, I felt very inspired to make this very weird, whatever, whatever this is that I put together with it, which I actually think turned out really, really good. I don't normally mismatch my stuff like this hard, but I feel like the boots deserve it. Mismatched eye makeup, this weird ass coat, which has a story behind it. So if anyone wants to hear the story of the coat, let me know and I will tell that in a future video. It's a pretty interesting story. And I guess that's it. So I hope you liked this video. And if you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to follow me on social media, I have all of it now: Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, whatever, all of it. I also have Depop, so if you want to check out my secondhand stuff, also Brodie's and some of Jessica's, depop.com/madamabsinthe. I also have Ko-fi, so if you want to buy me a Ko-fi, you can do that, ko-fi.com/madamabsinthe. And I think that's it. Like, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Follow me on social media. Buy me a Ko-fi if you want to. I hope you like the boots. Let me know what you thought of them in the comments, and I will see you guys all around for my next fabulous YouTube video, whatever that is. Here's a secret. I don't actually know, but we have to figure it out by next week. So, see you there.